Most breakout tools only show you when price crosses a level. You see a line break, you see a marker on the chart, and the assumption is that the market is ready to move. But price breaking a level alone does not always mean the breakout is strong. Many breakouts fail because there was not enough real participation behind the move. That is why traders often get trapped in fake breakouts. The Breakout Volume Delta indicator takes a different approach. Instead of judging a breakout using price alone, it analyzes the participation inside the breakout candle itself. At the same time, the indicator identifies important swing highs and swing lows on the chart. To add this indicator, open TradingView and load any market on your chart. Next, click on the Indicators button at the top of the chart. In the search bar, type Breakout Volume Delta and select Breakout Volume Delta by Flux Charts from the list. Once the indicator loads, you will immediately notice a few important elements appear on the chart. First, the indicator automatically identifies swing highs and swing lows in the market. These swings represent areas where price previously changed direction. Horizontal levels are drawn from these swing points, and they act as potential support and resistance levels. These levels are important because the indicator monitors them to detect possible breakout opportunities. When price approaches one of these levels and breaks above or below it, the indicator begins analyzing the breakout candle. Inside that breakout candle, you will notice the candle body is split into two colors. This is the volume delta visualization. The split candle shows how much of the activity inside that candle came from buyers and how much came from sellers. You will also see a small label printed near the breakout candle. This label displays the total buying volume and selling volume along with their percentage dominance. This allows you to quickly judge whether the breakout was driven by strong participation from one side of the market or if both sides were active during the move. Now, let me show you exactly how to trade this tool properly. For a buy trade, ensure the swing levels generated by the Breakout Volume Delta indicator are visible on the chart. These levels act as key support and resistance areas where price may break out. Focus on the most recent swing high level that the indicator has drawn. Next, watch for price to move toward that swing high. If price breaks above the swing high and the candle closes firmly above the level, that signals a potential bullish breakout. However, price alone is not enough. The Breakout Volume Delta indicator will also analyze the participation inside that breakout candle. Look at the breakout candle and the volume delta label printed near it. For a strong bullish breakout, the buying volume percentage should clearly dominate the selling volume. This means buyers controlled most of the activity during that breakout candle. Once the candle closes above the level and bullish dominance is confirmed, you can enter the buy trade at the candle close. Your stop loss should be placed just below the breakout candle. For the take profit, target a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. As price continues higher with strong buying participation, the breakout often extends and reaches the profit target. For a sell trade, ensure the swing levels from the Breakout Volume Delta indicator are clearly drawn on the chart. These levels mark previous swing highs and swing lows where price may react. For a sell setup, focus on the most recent swing low level. Watch as price approaches this swing low support. If price breaks below the swing low and closes firmly under the level, that signals a bearish breakout. The indicator will then evaluate the breakout candle using volume delta. Look at the breakout candle and the volume delta label printed near it. For a valid bearish breakout, the selling volume percentage should dominate the buying volume. This indicates that sellers controlled the breakout move. Once the breakout candle closes below the swing low and bearish dominance is visible, you can enter the sell trade at the candle close. Place your stop loss slightly above the breakout candle. For your take profit, aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. If selling pressure remains strong, price will usually continue moving downward and reach the profit target. And that's how you can trade using the Breakout Volume Delta indicator by Flux Charts. This tool helps traders answer an important question. Was the breakout supported by real buying or selling pressure? Instead of relying only on price breaking a level, the indicator shows the participation behind the move by measuring the buying and selling activity inside the breakout candle. At the same time, the swing levels help you clearly identify where important breakout points may occur in the market. This allows you to focus on higher quality breakout setups instead of reacting to every price movement. As always, make sure to manage your risk properly, respect your stop loss, and follow a clear risk-to-reward plan. It is also important to backtest the strategy and become familiar with how the indicator behaves before trading it live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.